Hi guys, in this video we will see how to turn on or off display screen by applying a double tap on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy Android F70e or any other Samsung Galaxy and Android, and here go to advanced features. Here you will find the option motion gestures. Tap on it. Tap on motion gesture under advanced features, and here you will find the option double tap to turn on screen, and also you will find double tap to turn off screen. Turn the toggle button on to enable this feature. Double tap to turn on the screen. For example, this is the apply double tap and your screen will on. If you double tap to turn off a screen, turn on this toggle button, and you can see apply a double tap and your screen will go off. So you can easily turn off or turn on a display screen of Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G phone by applying double tap to turn on or turn off display screen.